Hello! My name is Ryan Newcomb, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Nexis Uni to get company information and ESG information for the Business Experience course. As I mentioned, Nexis Uni is an article database that has a bunch of different news and legal articles related to companies and other business information. The thing I mainly want to show, though, is not necessarily the article features, but finding ESG or corporate responsibility information within that database. If we're in the Management 1110 Research Guide, I'm going to click on the General Company Information tab, and we're going to scroll down, and we'll find Nexis Uni in the Company News box. But before I go to that, I do want to show that there are other places where you can get company ESG and social responsibility information, and that is in this reputable website for company ESG searching box. This will have a bunch of other tools that will have less information, but you can also use these two to back up some information here. So we're going to click on Nexis Uni. And then there'll be a search engine at the middle of this page. If we want to get that social responsibility or sustainability information, what I'm going to do is I'm first going to type into the search engine CSR Hub, and it won't show up as a search result, but we'll see sources right here, and then we'll get the CSR Hub ESG ratings, which we will want to click on. And now that's going to be a filter that we can use in the database to search for a company. So I'm going to do Berkshire Hathaway, for example, as the company, and we'll search that. And this will be the CSR Hub ESG rating report for Berkshire Hathaway if we click on that result. We can get this as well in the link that I put in the other box. However, that will only give you partial information, whereas this one will give you the full report. We don't subscribe to this database on the actual website, but all the information that is on that website is available here in Nexis Uni. So I'd recommend looking at this for your specific company, as it should be here if it is a public one. If I scroll back real quick and go to the results, you'll see this as well if you do a normal article search in Nexis Uni, but you can use these filters as well to lower and decrease some of the results in that if you're narrowing for a specific topic. So if you click on timeline, for example, you can decide the dates that you want that report to be published. You can go to source type to switch what kind of information you're getting from. You can go to source location if there's a specific area that you want highlighted, and so on with a lot of these different filters. That's all I wanted to show with Nexis Uni, but if there are any questions that you have about either Nexis Uni or finding that ESG or social responsibility information, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help you out. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best in searching in Nexis Uni.